Hi everyone, it's Effie here once again, and today I'm just here to share the last benefit of I have achieved in running an online business. For each one that I have talked about, I have always recapped the last one. I'm just going to run through all the ones I have done before, just in case you missed it. You can also watch them on the playlist. So the first benefit I achieved in running an online business was the setting of goals, the method of setting goals and how to follow through with them. You know, when you set your goals, you have a goal card that you look at on a daily basis on where you want to be, maybe in another 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 years. And another benefit I talked about was a change of mindset. You know, if you don't believe you can do something, you will never be able to do it. Les Brown said the most difficult thing he did, or he was able to achieve in running an online business or running his business, was to believe that he could make $1 million. So mindset is very, very important. I had an employee mindset for the longest of times, and it was very difficult for me to get an entrepreneur's mindset. But by the time I joined the Six-Figure Training Academy, Six-Figure Mentors Training Academy, they helped me in having a mindset change to one of an entrepreneur. And you can have that too, as long as you put your mind to it, because you can achieve anything that you want to in life as long as you put your mind to it, you believe it, and you work towards it. You take action in the right direction. The next thing I talked about the achievements I have gotten in running an online business is that I was able to build my website. And you know, to build a website, you just need a domain name, you need providing a hosting provider, and you also need a content management system. I use a WordPress. So you need those things to build your website if you are going to market your product online. You know, everything is going digital these days and everything is online these days. So if you need to register your online presence, you need a website. Another thing that I was able to achieve is the marketing of my products through email marketing and video marketing. You know, there are a lot of ways that you can market these days, and email marketing, video marketing have taken over the adverts that we see on TV, on radio, on magazines, or in magazines, in newspapers. The next thing I talked about was reading of books. A lot of us don't like to read. These days you have audiobooks, so you can listen while you commute to work, you can listen while you are cooking, you can listen while you are doing some other things, but you can put your headphones and listen to audiobooks. And reading the right books helps a lot. Helps you to change your mindset, helps you to give you focus, direction. Reading the right books like the Bible has mentioned so many things about life and business in particular. You know, I talked about the parable of the talents that Jesus Christ gave, and I said you need to trade something to get something. The more you trade, the more you get. I also talked about mastermind group. You know, this mastermind group was first coined in 1925 by Napoleon Hill in his book Law of Attraction, or Law of Success. You know, and mastermind group is just a peer-to-peer mentoring group where you come together to help each other, and this relationship helps you to, you know, achieve your goals. And so the next and the final one I'm going to talk about is paying yourself from the comfort of your home. Running an online business, your home is your office, so you don't need to commute, you don't need to stay in traffic, you don't need to be in traffic, you don't need to waste the time commuting to and from work. A lot of people commute 1, 2, 3 hours a day. You can spend that time wisely in the comfort of your home, running your own business. And 3 hours every day is 15 hours in a week. That's a lot of time, and you can achieve a lot within that time. You bid bye-bye to being underemployed. You bid bye-bye to having anxiety towards the end of your contract. Like someone like me, I have been in contract jobs that, were terminated, and towards the end of those contracts, I'll be having anxiety, wondering if they will be renewed, or wondering if I'll be thrown into the job market to go and look for another job. And of course I was. But now I run my online business. I have bid bye-bye to anxiety. And once you have anxiety all the time, it affects your health. So now my health is in top shape. I no longer have anxiety as a result of the online business I am now running. And there are a lot of benefits, from the comfort of your home. You can write your paycheck. Nobody, you don't have to live on a paycheck that just gives you the basic things in life. You can now live the life that you love and you deserve. You can now build your own dreams. You can now build your own empire instead of building somebody else's by being an employee. So another of the benefits I have achieved in running an online business is writing my own paycheck from the comfort of my own home. And you can have that too. I was introduced to a free video series that I watched and I resonated with. And making that decision to change the way I do things and the way I work has been one of the greatest decisions I have made in life, because it has improved my life. I have self-developed tremendously, and I have learned new things. I have learned to work in the digital era. I came from the traditional era. Now I am in the digital age, and I am feeling great about it. You too can access these free videos and also make the change in your life, and live the life that you love and you deserve. Live the life of your dreams. So if you're interested in running an online business, I'll just put the link below. You can click the link and access these free videos and start your success journey. I wish you all the best, and if you're watching on YouTube, I'll put the link below. And if you're watching on YouTube, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Your comments help me to give you better service. Your comments help me to improve my services to you. And if you are watching on Facebook, the link will be on the top of this video. So I wish you all the best. If you decide to start your online business, I wish you all the best. And if you decide not to, I still wish you all the best. I will see you all on the next video. Take care and thanks for watching.